Yo, what's up everybody? In this video we're gonna be doing and practicing some rolling shots, so let's get to it. What? Motor Misfits. Guys, we are on our way. We're a little late right now, so I'm kind of speeding. Nah, guys, so we're gonna meet up with ZL1 Willing and a friend of his, and we're gonna take some car videos, photos. His friend has like a photography business, like a really good photography business, you know, not just Motor Misfit. He has drones, he has all types of stuff, and he wants to practice on his rolling pictures, so we decided to help out. So I'm late right now, guys, maybe by like a minute or two, but I hate being late. I'm here at a plaza where they told me to meet up with them, and I don't see, I mean, at least I'm looking for ZL1 Willing's car, and I don't see it, so let's see where the hell they are. Ah, there we go. So we found them. Here they are, these little punk asses. And let's see. Run it. Como que me dé el carro. Que me dé el carro. Ya lo comí, loco. Esta vaina no sirve ahí, man. What's up, B? I'll take you off video. Ah, mira lo que hizo. ¿Y esa vaina? Alright, so we're gonna park here at the place. So we're about to start driving. We're gonna do my rolling shots first, so I'm gonna be driving the car. We're gonna do it. We're here on I think it's 84 or 75, something like that. We're gonna just go, come back, and you guys will see. So let's do this. All right, cool. There you go. What? All right, guys, let's start doing these rolling shots, and you might see somebody hanging out the window. Hopefully he's safe and nothing happens. All right, it's just like South Florida weather. It actually began to rain, so this actually sucks. Willie is calling me right now, so let's see what's gonna happen. Boom. All right, so we're here on Flamingo, and the rain actually helped us out. I mean, didn't help us out, but it calmed down so we can take some good photos. So now we're gonna go and get ZL1 Willing's car, because we were in his boy's Cherokee while they were taking photos there, and they took some rolling shots of my car. I couldn't really get too much footage off of what they were doing. I'll show you, I already showed you some footage there of the best that I could do, I guess, because I had it on the mirrorless camera, but I couldn't take it really on the cell phone, although that's probably where you guys would have seen it best, because we were calling each other, we were talking on the phone. So I might be able to take some footage now, because we're going in my car. The photographer is going to be in my car, Andres, so you guys will see that. I'll take some footage of that, basically him hanging out the window and all that stuff. But yeah, I couldn't really get too much footage of so I couldn't really get too much footage of what they were doing, taking pictures of my car. So either way, if anything, I can explain what was going on, but you guys get the picture. Basically, he's not hanging out, but he had his hatch open on his Cherokee. He was in the back seats, kind of laying down, and he has a Canon camera with a huge lens. I think it's maybe like a 400 lens. So it's a lens that you take for like car racing videos or pictures or stuff like that to take it to the track. So that's what he had, and basically we were going like maybe 30, 40. I might have reached 50 at some point, and we were like maybe 2 car lengths apart in different lanes. So we had one lane in the middle, free. They were all the way to the left or all the way to the right. And then if they were all the way to the left, I was all the way to the right. If they were all the way to the right, I was all the way to the left. So that's how we did it right now. I'll show you some pictures at the end of that's how you get that shit done. Yeah, that looks nice. I don't know. We'll see the end product. You guys will see it on the Instagram page. Both motor_misfit and type_r_los. And also you can look up hashtag misfit FK8, misfit FK8. So Frank Kevin 8. You guys can see all that there. If I get it in time before I put this YouTube video up, I'll put some photos on here at the end so you guys can see how that went. I don't know. We'll see. We then stopped at some nice little location, sort of, that we found around Weston that, sorry, I was fixing the seat, that, you know, might work as well and get us good pictures. So those pictures you can definitely see on my Instagram, also the story. But yeah, it was all right. I'm not gonna front. You know, for a first time effort, and I didn't get to do it. It was more him and learning from him, because obviously I was driving one of the cars. I want a rolling shot of my car, and if somebody else can do it for me for free, that would be awesome. So shout out to him. Shout out to Andres Bolivar at Drone Pilot on Instagram. Like I said, I'll put his IG info here. Definitely reach out to him. He's an awesome photographer, videographer. So yeah, we're just practicing, and hopefully these come out good and we can do some more of these, and I can learn from it as well, so Motor Misfit can get up there a little bit as well. Anyways, I'm on my way home now. You know I gotta do this, so please, 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 if you like this content, check me out. I'm on motormisfit.com. on YouTube. If you're not watching this there, you can check it out at Motor Misfit. Now, other than that, thank you for tuning in, guys. I hope you have a blessed day, and until next time.